Hey folks, I'm at my local Burger King and I'm going in to test a new Burger King Ghost Pepper Melt. So come on in with me and let's take a look. Well, that's a disappointment. To my surprise, they don't have a Ghost Pepper Melt. They got several other kinds, but no Ghost Pepper Melt. But I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in anyway and order one and make one using Alabama hot sauce, Scorpions and Ghost hot sauce made out of Jay's Ghost Peach Scorpion Peppers. So come on in and let's take a taste. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I am back here again at Burger King. Those of you who watch my videos might know that I made a video on the Burger King Ghost Whopper about a year ago. People loved watching it. And when I heard that Burger King was coming out with the Melt series, I could not wait to come down here and make a video with the Ghost Melt. But surprise, surprise, Burger King doesn't have a Ghost Melt. They have a original melt, a mushroom melt, I think a Texas melt, but no Ghost Melt. So I thought I would come down here today and actually make me a Burger King Ghost Melt. I'm gonna do that with two ingredients. First, I've got a Burger King Classic Melt. Melts are great. I think this has been a good sandwich for Burger King. They've been very successful. It looks great. I've eaten the Classic Melt before here. They're delicious. But I'm gonna turn this Classic Melt into a Ghost Melt. And I'm gonna do that with my very limited edition Alabama hot sauce 2023 Scorpions and Ghosts. This Scorpions and Ghost hot sauce is made from the relatively rare and difficult to find Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion Pepper. This is, in my opinion, the best tasting pepper I've ever had, but it is hot, hot, hot. As a matter of fact, we rate this pepper as being dangerously hot. Dangerously hot clearly means what it says, dangerously hot. So I've got a bottle of this, and I'm going to turn this beautiful Burger King Classic Melt into a Burger King Ghost Pepper Melt. Typically, I tell people not to use very much of this sauce because this stuff is so hot that a little bit of it goes a very, very long way. So if I can get into this, we open it up. Give it a good shake. And I'm going to go ahead and pour a pretty good amount of it on my Classic Melt to turn it into a Ghost Pepper Melt. I just put about 15 drops on there. I got to tell you, this stuff smells wonderful. Mixed in with the beautiful aroma of this melt, that aroma of that Ghost Pepper and the Scorpion Peppers is just unbelievable. So we're going to put this thing back together. While I am a pepperhead, I'm not a crazy pepperhead. I've also got me a very large iced tea, and I expect I'm going to be drinking quite a bit of this because this sandwich is going to be very hot. So it all doctored up. I'm going to go in for the first bite. Holy smoke. That is a hot burger. Wow. There's nothing like the taste of ghost pepper. It's the most unique pepper. And this Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion Pepper is even more unique. This is a good tasting burger. With this sauce added, it is simply unbelievable. Wow. I don't know what to tell you, folks. This is exceptionally hot, exceptionally delicious. A wonderful combination. I think it's better than the Ghost Pepper Whopper that I did the video on last year, even after I added the Alabama hot sauce. This sauce makes such a great addition to this burger. Look at that beautiful thing. I think it's just great. For those of you that are not pepperheads, this sauce is this particular hot sauce may be a little bit steep for you. Scorpions and Ghost is, like I say, is exceptionally hot. Unless you have a pretty good tolerance for heat, that's not one you'd want to just slather on your food. Just a drop or two will do you. Like I said, I put 10 or 12 drops. And though I'm comfortable eating very, very hot things, this is a little hot for me. But it is so good. Well, folks, there you go. That's the collaboration between my local Burger King that I love a lot down here, it's near my house, and Alabama hot sauce to make something that's not on their menu, not even on their secret menu, which is the Ghost Pepper Melt. And I'd recommend to you, if you want to grab a fast food burger, come get one of these melts, throw a little bit of Alabama hot sauce on it. It'll be delicious. I want to thank you for joining me for this short video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. I'd appreciate it if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe to my channel because I have this and much, much more. While you're here, if you like the content in this video, give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm doing things right. As a matter of fact, if you don't like the video, if you think I ought to be doing something different on my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs down. But please leave a comment if you do that so I'll know why. And while you're here, ring that bell. That tells YouTube that you enjoy the Alabama hot sauce content. It tells YouTube that you'd like for them to notify you each time I post new content. And by ringing that bell, they will do that. Once again, folks, thank you very much for joining me. And from the Burger King in Florence, Alabama, and from Alabama Hot Sauce, we'll see you next time. Cut. Hey, Don, how are you doing? Here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you don't mind, click the round logo and join our channel. In addition, I've made a couple of video suggestions I think you might like. Click them and see what you think. Remember, Alabama hot sauce, always fresh, always spicy. Thank you.